Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video, we are doing Pro Bro by Fisherman Fireworks. This is a 16-shot, 200-gram angled cake by Fisherman. I've really enjoyed the few things I've been able to do by Fisherman. So when OC Fireworks had their 20% off after the force sale, I picked up some more Fisherman to see, because I have really liked the ones I've done. And some of these 200-gram angled cakes add in some nice little surprises for it, and it lets you break up the show with a little different effects on a budget as well. For performance, we have 1 red comet tail to red to blue and chrysanthemum, 2 red comet tail to golden willow to colors, 3 golden willow to crackling, 4 red comet tail to green sky blue and red plum blossom, 5 red comet tail to golden willow to color and chrysanthemum. So if we open up the top on this cake to get a look at how the boards are configured and what the layout is, we can see we have 3 angled boards in the front, a little bit of a spacer, then we go to dual 4 vertical for rows 2 and 3. Row 4, we've got a V pattern out, and then row 5 is a W again as well. So, let's take this cake out back, see if Pro Bro is worth it to mix up our show some, or send up some angles underneath some cans, and see if we like it. Thanks, everyone.
Pro Bro. Pro Bro.